In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all. I'm also well. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to say something before you. This is Sahir Bin Habib. I'm 10 years old. I'm from Charia. I study in class 4. Besides, I'm a student of Prime English Academy. My favorite hobby is playing football. My favorite color is black. My favorite food is biryani. I want to be a successful doctor. That's all about myself. Now I would like to say something about a story. The name of my story is Robert Bruce and a Spider. Robert Bruce was a famous king of Scotland. Enemy invaded his kingdom. He had to flee from his kingdom to save his life. He took shelter in a cave. One day he was lying in the cave. He saw a spider trying hard to reach the ceiling of the cave. The spider failed again and again. The spider didn't give up hope. The spider reached the ceiling of the cave after some unsuccessful attempt. The spider inspired Bruce. Bruce gathered an army and attacked his enemies. Enemy courted defeat, and Robert Bruce regained his kingdom. The spider teaches us about perseverance. Perseverance means trying to do any work again and again. We often face problems when we do any work. If we put off the work, it may not be done. To reach our goal, we have to try again and again. If we try again and again, we will surely be successful. The moral of the story is try again and again until you succeed. That's all about my story. Now I would like to finish here today. Thank you for patient hearing. May Allah bless all of you. See you again and thank you again. Assalamu alaikum.